Jax.
Hello, Jack speaking.
Yeah, hi, it's Rex Morgan from the Park Suite here. Can I order 3 Prime Angus burgers?
Okay.
And if you can make that snappy, that'll be perfect. Thanks, bye.
Rex Morgan from Walcott Street Bistro in Wellington. He's a rock star. You better impress him with a great burger.
Thank you, Chef.
I have 20 minutes to make 3 burgers, fry my chips, get my ketchup and plate it.
Don't shake.
I can't help it, Chef. It's just, I can't stop shaking.
Sometimes life is
Who wants to shake? Nobody. I'm shaking because I'm terrified.
I don't want to mess up. I just want to do a good job for me and a good job for the chef and a good job for the Langham.
I start slicing my tomatoes. My tomatoes are like doorstops.
they're too thick. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Chef.
5 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Boom, on, boom. Next one, on.
Because I just want to get it on the plate and get it up the stairs.
Nice. And you have 2 minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Fry those lids on there. Do.
And then, of course, you get to the suite and there's a little bit of prep. Really nervous. And then ding dong. Hello, Mr. Morgan. Would you like me to come in?
Come on through.
Jax, are you happy with your dishes?
Ray, I am very happy with my dishes. Yes, I am. So I think you'll enjoy your burgers.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Jax.
Thank you. Thank you. I think they're going to love their burgers. They are juicy. It's beautiful. The cheese is oozing, and the ketchup was made of love.
So what do you think, Rex?
It's well executed. I mean, you know, the burger's got flavour.
It looks like there's a bit of care gone into it. There's really nice caramelised onions on top. The chips look great. Presentation's good.
Yeah, the fries are cut well. You know, it's got a nice crispy coating. Obviously, she's blanched it twice. I mean, it's a polished room service dish.
I would have liked a bit more salt in the meat. That's the only thing I'd say.
You're exactly right, because the burger lacks a bit of seasoning.
I think Jax could be pretty proud of herself.
Should we score the dish?
Sure.
Langham and Room Dining, you're speaking with Tracy Lee. How can I help?
Hey there, it's Des Harris from the Royal Suite. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
And I get this huge rush of adrenaline.
Hi, I'm Des Harris, head chef at Clooney. Clooney has an edgy decor, so my food kind of has to be a little bit edgy, but it has to have soul. Could I get 3 Langham marinated ribeye steaks, please?
Certainly.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Who's in the royal suite?
Des Harris.
Wow. You better go and blow him away.
The pressure in the last 20 minutes is insane.
Des trained at Logan Brown. You know, Al Brown, Logan Brown. So he's the man.
Okay, you're not helping.
So I'm whisking away with my béarnaise, and at the same time I'm trying to think about, OK, at what time do I need to put my steaks on, and how are my little potato dumplings going?
This means more to me than any other challenge.
With 20 minutes to cook steak, prepare my vegetables and make béarnaise, there's no room for error.
You need to put the steaks on.
I have to, at the last minute, add white wine into the pan. But nothing prepares me for what happens. Oh, what have I done?
5 minutes.
But then I kind of think, real chefs do this.
1 minute to go, girl. 1 minute, you can do it. Be quick, don't muck around too much outside the door.
-1.
Get out of here, girl. Go, Tracy Lee.
You know, leaving the kitchen, I feel like a chef. And I was flustered and I was excited and I was so proud of my plates. And I have a disaster.
What the
This is almighty bang.
Oh my God, how did that happen?
It's the hot box. It's fallen off the trolley.
Oh my God.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. I don't want to open it because I don't want to see what's happened.
I'm going to have to replate this. Can I have 3 plates?
I pull everything that I had done for the last 3 hours out and I replate it. And it looks like a dog's breakfast.
The biggest kick in the gut, but you know what? It's not going to define who I am.
I'm going to the royal suite with food that doesn't look very royal. And I just soldier on.
How are you?
Good evening, Mr. Harris.
I just say, you know, in-room dining, your meal is ready, sir.
Come on in.
With a big smile. And on the inside, I just want to crumble into his arms and say, I'm really sorry. I think that this means that I'm going home.
Thank you. Bon appetit, gentlemen.
Thanks, Tracy.
Bon appetit.
Thanks, Tracy.
Oh, you know, like, normally I'm not lost for words, but that was really difficult to maintain composure. Oh, man.
So, Des, how do you think Tracy Lee's done?
I think it's lacking a little bit of finesse.
My steak's good. It's medium rare.
It's a little bit of colour around the outside, which is nice.
It's just weak, isn't it? It's
Oh, look,
overboard.
I just think Tracy Lee's had a really hard day.
For me, this isn't a bad meal, but Tracy Lee, she hasn't done a great job.
No,
Not really of a standard that you would want to receive, I wouldn't have thought. No,
not at a five-star hotel.
no, not at all.
My spirit's a bit broken right now. It was just one of those things, you know, like I don't think I could have changed anything. You know, like I didn't do anything wrong. I'm really sad.
Good evening, speaking with Stu. How can I help?
Hi, it's Judith Tabron here from The Residence. Hi, I'm Judith Tabron, owner of Soul Bar and Bistro. I've been in the business for 30 years. It's fun, it's hard work, and we always strive for excellence. Can I order 3 pan-fried flounder, please?
No problem.
Thank you.
Bye.
Who's in the residence tonight?
Judith Tabron.
Oh, Judith Tabron. Well, I tell you what, she's cooked a lot of fish in her time, so she's going to be a very good judge of whether you get that flounder right.
The risotto had to be heated up, it had to be mascarpone, it had to be parmesan, it had to be butter, it had to be seasoned. Dinner, chef?
Yes. We have 16 minutes to go. You need to get your pans onto your flounder slowly. Careful, your butter is burning.
Volker was on my back, eh? There was so many things going on.
No pepper. 6 minutes. Your fish is burning. That's starting plating up.
The last few minutes were full on.
You have around 30 seconds.
When things started going on the plate and I could see the dish coming together, I was really happy with it.
2 spoons per fish.
I knew that I went over that time by a few minutes, so I knew I had to make up the time getting up the stairs.
Minus 4 minutes. I think hurry up.
Pressure was on, and I was just absolutely exhausted. Good evening, room service for Judith.
Yes, I'm Judith. Come this way.
This evening you've got a beetroot risotto with filleted flounder, on top some microgreens, some lemon and a bit of butter sauce around the side.
Well, that looks great, Stu. We'll have a taste.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, Stu.
I think the flavours are good. I like the fried caper. I think that's the crisp component of the dish. The risotto, I'm very happy with mine.
I like it. When I first saw that risotto, I thought, oh, he's overcooked it, but he hasn't. It's actually really nice. There's a little bit of al dente.
tiny bit, absolutely.
Yeah. It's still got that texture in the rice, which is really important.
The fish is delicious and the risotto was full of flavour. I think fish is one of the hardest things to do for room service because you have to take into consideration the time that it's going to take to get to the room and ensure that it's not dry.
So I think Stu's done pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good evening, this is Nadia speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Sid Sarawat.
Hello, how are you? It's Sid Sarawat from Siddharth, which is one of the best restaurants in New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Sid Sarawat, chef and owner of Siddharth Restaurant. What I like to bring to food is something unique in terms of the flavour combinations, the textures, whether it's using liquid nitrogen or poaching meat in a water bath. That's what makes it unique. Yeah, could I please get 3 of the roast chicken breasts?
Sure.
Thank you.
You better rock and roll. Go for it, girl.
20 minutes.
I'm going to get my pan on first.
Yes.
The first move is put on some pans, go get the chicken, put them on, put on my sauces and my capsicum relish to heat up.
17 minutes left, Nadia.
Put the potato rosti in the oven, finish the grape salad. Yeah, I kind of feel like a chef.
5 minutes.
Thanks, chef. Cutting the chicken is a bit nerve-wracking because this is what could make or break the whole dish. If that chicken is undercooked, I'm gonna freak out. Perfect. And I'm kind of trying to do my presentation nicely.
You're -3.
I think I start just getting into the mood and enjoying it a bit too much.
Be the latest one leaving.
Time must have just really crept up on me and I need to get a move on.
Come. Here's the plates are dirty. Let's go, let's go. -6.
You only got 4 minutes to get up there. Good luck, Nadia. Well done. You should be very proud.
So sure enough, when I open up my trolley door to take out the plates, the sauce has moved everywhere around the plate, which isn't very nice.
Hi, I'm Sid.
Hello, Sid. How are you?
Nadia, do you think this is going to be the dish of the day?
I've tasted everything, and I think it tastes great.
I can't wait to taste it.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Nadia.
Well, Nadia's talked this up, Sid. What do you think?
I think the chicken is cooked a little bit too long. The breast is a little dry. Apart from that, the seasoning is good, the flavors are good, the potato hash is cooked nicely. Nice flavor in that capsicum relish.
Nadia had a lot of things to do with this dish. There's quite a few components. I think Nadia did quite well.
But I think the problem with the chicken is you can tell the breast has been twisted up when she's put it in the pan.
Yeah.
And you can't cook a chicken like that. But overall, it is packed full of flavour.
Yeah, the flavor's really
Great
good.
flavour.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, guys, so that's our final dish. Let's score it.
At the end of the night, Simon and Volker get us all into the kitchen, and there's some glasses of champagne waiting there for us.
Well done, everyone. You got through room service unscathed. Well, I thought you all did a bloody fantastic job.
You guys done a really great job. I'm really proud of you guys. I think it was quite tough.
Well, your fate lies in Josh, Ray, and your guest decision. But in the meantime, you're all winners. So, hey, cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers.